Welcome in RBC Online. I am Dattatreya Raut. Today we are going to discussion about the new aspect in the cell unit of life. Now in the previous video we have to discuss about the prokaryotic cell. In the prokaryotic cell, and then goes to the further discussion regards to the next cell is the eukaryotic cell. So in the RBC Online by Dattatreya Raut, in this video today we are going to discussing about the very important points regards to the examination of NEET and MHT CET and also the all related exams eukaryotic cell. Now in the eukaryotic cell, the unit of life. So in the eukaryotic cell, what about the eukaryotic cell? Eukaryotic cell is the very important cell in higher organisms, because in a lower organism, most of the lower organism are the contain the prokaryotic cell. In higher organism which are having the eukaryotic type of the cell. So in the eukaryotic type of the cell, in this video which are contained about the eukaryotic cell, eukaryotic as versus prokaryotic cell. What are the differences? What are the main differences among the eukaryotic cell and a prokaryotic cell? Now in this prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, what is eukaryotic cells? Then what are the cell organelles in the eukaryotic cells, and so that a structure and function of various cell organelles which is the present in the eukaryotic cell. Now let us start to the about discussion regards to the eukaryotes versus prokaryotes. Now in the eukaryotes you already discussed about prokaryotes. Now eukaryotes and prokaryotes differ greatly in structures. You know that eukaryotic cell which is the present in the animals, which is the present in plants, fungi and protists, and prokaryotic cell which is the present in the bacteria, and which is the greatly differ in structure and size and shape and function in respect to the eukaryotes. So in the eukaryotes and prokaryotic cell, in the eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell, these are the eukaryotic cell, and this eukaryotic cell which is the present in animal, which is the present in the plants, which is the present in the fungi, which is the present in the protist. A eukaryotic cell and the prokaryotic cell, these are the cells. In these slides, eukaryotic cell and the prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell which are having the cell wall, a prokaryotic cell which is not having the cell walls. So which is the prokaryotic cell which is the present in the bacteria, and the eukaryotic cell which is the present in the animals, plants, fungi and protists. So in this way, in this main differences, prokaryotes and eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotics and eukaryotic cells, nucleus in the prokaryotic cell, nucleus is not exact nucleus, true nucleus is not present in the prokaryotes. That is known as the nucleoids. The DNA genetic material is scattered in the cytoplasms, which is the not present in a cell envelope, which is a particular envelope which is the scattered in the cytoplasm. So there is no true nucleus are the present in the prokaryotic cell. In the eukaryotes and eukaryotic cell, which are having the definite nucleus, true nucleus are the present in the eukaryotic type of the cell. Membrane bound organelles, in correct, that will be a membrane bound cell organelles which is the not found in the prokaryotic cell. Membrane bound organelles which is the found in the eukaryotic type of the cell. Many membrane bound cell organelles which is the present in the eukaryotic type of the cell and in eukaryotes. Many, just like to the ribosome, mitochondria, then goes to the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, chloroplast in the plants. There are the different cell membrane bound cell organelles are the present in the eukaryotes. Size of the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell, size 1 to 10 micrometer, and eukaryotic cell is the 10 to 50 micrometer. When evolved, the prokaryotic cell which is the evolved 3.5 billion years ago, and eukaryotic cell which is the evolved 1.5 billion years ago. In related to the cytoplasms, prokaryotic cell which are having the cytoplasm, and in eukaryotes which also the having the cytoplasm inside the cell. Cell membrane is the present in the prokaryotes and also present in the eukaryote. In both type of the cell which are having the cell membranes, cell wall, some do, prokaryotic may that will be found in some, and in eukaryotes that will be found in the plants. Then a ribosome is the cell organelles which is the found in the prokaryotes as well as in eukaryotes. Both the type of the cell are having the cell organelle that is the known as the ribosomes, DNA. In prokaryotes, DNA is a circular free floating, and eukaryotes DNA is the chromosome in the nucleus. Chromosome in the nucleus. Then examples is the prokaryote is the bacteria, and eukaryotes the example is the plants, animals, fungi and protists. Now then goes to the, after the discussion about the difference in the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell in regards to the various aspects, the structural organization of eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. Now in the structural organization of the eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell which are having the nucleus, prokaryotic cell which are do not having the nucleus. Then in the structural organization as compared size and shape, the bacterial cell is a very smaller cell as compared to the eukaryotic cell. Then in the next point regards to the eukaryotic cells. Now in the eukaryotic cell, the eukaryotes include the protist, plant, animal and fungi. In the eukaryotic cell, there is an extensive compartmentalization of cytoplasm through the presence of membrane bound cell organelles. In eukaryotic cell, there is an extensive compartmentalization. That means the extensive compartmentalization of the cytoplasm. There is having the number of compartments inside the cytoplasms, the presence of the membrane bound organelles. These membrane bound organelles, cell organelles, This eukaryotic cell possesses the organized nucleus, well developed nucleus with a nuclear envelope. This eukaryotic cell possesses the true nucleus, organized nucleus, well developed nucleus with the nuclear envelope. So in addition to that of the eukaryotic cell, have the variety of complex locomotory and cytoskeletal structures. In addition, the eukaryotic cell have variety of complex locomotory cytoskeletal structures. Cytoskeletal structure are the present, complex locomotory structures are the present, variety of the complex locomotory structures are the present, are possessed inside in the eukaryotic cell. Then after this discussion about the eukaryotic cell, their genetic material is organized into the chromosomes. Their genetic material is organized into the chromosomes. Chromosomes are the present in compared to the prokaryotic cell. The DNA genetic material is the scattered inside in the cytoplasms of the prokaryotic cell. But in case of the eukaryotic cell, their genetic material is organized into the chromosomes. So these genetic materials, then structures regards to the eukaryotic cells, the genetic material is organized into the chromosomes, and all eukaryotic cells are not identical in animal cell, plant cell, fungi cell and protist cell. All eukaryotic cells are not identical. Plant and animal cell are the differ as the former possesses cell walls. The main difference between the eukaryotic in a plant cell and animal cell is the former possesses the cell walls. Former possesses of the cell wall in a plant cell having the cell wall, but in case of the animal cell not possesses the cell walls, not found the cell walls. Plastids and large central vacuoles which are the absent in the animal cells. Now in the animal cell, plastids which is found in the and large central vacuole is found in the plant cell, but not found in the animal cell, which are the absent in the animal cell. In the animal cell not have the plastids and the large central vacuoles. On other hand, animal cell have the centrioles, which are the absent in the almost all plant cell. On other hands, animals have the centriole. Centriole is the present in animal cell, animal eukaryotic cell, but absent in the almost all the plant cell. Now the plant cell do not possesses the centrioles, which are the present in the animal cell, animal eukaryotic cells. Now next goes to the after the discussion of this plant cell. Now here these are the plant cell. This is the structure of the plant cell, and the plant cell which are having the cell walls, then which are having the central vacuoles, then goes to have the ribosomes, Golgi apparatus, plasma membrane, cell wall, smooth endoplasmic reticulums and the rough endoplasmic reticulums, cytoplasms, then microtubules. There are the different parts: nucleus, nucleolus, nuclear envelopes, chromatins are the present. So in the plant cell, this structure is a plant cell having the different cell organelles inside the cytoplasms of the eukaryotics of the plant cell. Now then goes to the animal cell. In the animal cell, so in the animal cell, what are the possesses the animal cell? Animal eukaryotic cells. Then in animal eukaryotic cell, there is absence of the cell wall, Golgi apparatus is present, lysosome is present, microtubules are the present, then centrioles are the present, then flagellums, nucleus, nuclear envelope, chromatins, nucleolus, rough endoplasmic reticulums, smooth endoplasmic reticulums, ribosomes, plasma membranes. All these structures are the present. Inside this, all the comparatively animal cell and the plant cell, animal cell and the plant cell having differences in their structure and size and shape, then and functions also. Now, in a plant cell and animal cell, now the plant cell versus animal cell, in this plant cell and animal cell, animal cells are very similar to the plant cell, except for the following major differences. Animal cells are very similar to the plant cell except for following major differences. Animal cell do not contain chloroplast. Animal cell do not contain the chloroplast. Animal cell do not surrounded by the cell wall. And the vacuoles in the plant are much larger than those of animals. Now the vacuoles in the plants are much larger than those of animals. Now in the animal cell very similar to the plant cell except following major differences. Animal cell do not contain the chloroplast. Animal cell do not surrounded by the cell walls. Vacuoles in a plant are much larger. Vacuoles are the present in the plant cell are much larger than those of the animal cell. Animal cell which are having their vacuoles but which are the smaller one vacuoles are the present. Then in the further discussion regards to the parts of the cell, parts of the eukaryotic cell. In the parts of the eukaryotic cell, now each living cell carries out the task of taking food, transforming food into energy, getting rid of wastage and reproducing. Most eukaryotic cells have three main components: cell membrane, cytoskeleton and a nucleus. Each living cell carries out the task of taking of food, transforming food into the energy. Now the main function, metabolic function of this cell, every living cell of eukaryotes, transforming food into the energy, getting rid of wastage and reproducing. And most of the eukaryotic cell have a main three components: cell membrane, cytoskeleton and a nucleus, which is the present in the parts of the cell, eukaryotic cell. Now the structure and function of organelles. Now in the structure and function of the organelles, the structure and function of the following organelles will be discussed now in these lectures: cell membrane, nucleus, cell wall, cytoplasms, cytoskeleton, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulums, Golgi apparatus, then mitochondria, lysosomes, peroxisomes, cilia and flagella, basal bodies, centrioles, vacuoles and plastids. Now the structure and function of the following organelles, these are the all are the cell organelles which is the present in the eukaryotic cell. Cell membrane, nucleus, cell wall, cytoplasm, cytoskeleton, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, lysosomes, peroxisomes, cilia, flagella, basal body, centriole, vacuole and plastids. These are the number of the cell organelles are the present in the eukaryotic cell. Now in the cell membrane, first cell organelle is the cell membrane. Now what are the cell membranes? Now the structure of the cell membrane, which is the phospholipid bilayers with proteins that function as channels, markers and the receptors, and also contain cholesterol which provide rigidity. Now the structure of the cell membrane, which is the bilayers, which is the made up of from the phospholipids and with proteins, and that function as the channels, markers and receptors, take a stimulus or receptors, markers and the channels which are the connected to the one to the another cells with the help of the cell membranes, and also contain the cholesterol which provide the rigidity. The cell membrane having a cholesterol which provide rigidity. What is the function of the cell membrane? The cell membrane which are having the selectively permeable boundary, between the cell and the external environment. Selectively permeable boundary between the cell and the external environment. Now the function is the permeable to the selective elements between the cell and the external environment, which is the permeable to the allowed to the entry of the substances in the inside the cell from the outside, from the external environment. So in the cell membrane then goes to the discussion about the next cell organelles is the known as the nucleus. Now this nucleus is the present at the center of this cell and in the cytoplasms. The nucleus is a sphere that contains another sphere called as the nucleolus. Outside sphere of the nucleus is the known as the and then another sphere is the called as the nucleolus. Nucleus is a sphere that contains the another sphere called as the nucleolus. What is the function of the nucleus? Storage center of the cells, DNA, cells DNA, storage the centers of the cells DNA, manage cell functions, to manage the all metabolic cell function by the nucleus, inside the nucleus, so that these are the nucleus which is the very important to storage of the DNA as a genetic material. Then goes to the next and further cell organelles is the known as the cell compartments, that is components, that is known as the cell wall. So this cell wall of the cell, which is the present in the plant cell, which are do not present in the animal cells. Then goes to the discussion about the next cell organelle, that is known as the cytoplasms. So in the cytoplasms, structure of this, the gelatin like fluids that are the lies inside the cell membrane and lies the cell membranes and function is the contain the salts, minerals and organic molecules surround the organelles. Now this gelatin like fluids that will be known as the cytoplasms, which is the present, which is the lies inside the cell membrane, contain the salts, minerals, organic molecules surround the organelles. Now goes to the discussion about the next cell organelles, that is known as the cytoskeletons. Now in these cytoskeletons, the structure of the cytoskeletons, network of thin fibrous elements made up of microtubules and microfilaments, hollow tubes and the thread made out of the action and function as the support the system for the organelles, maintain the cell shape. Cytoskeleton, which are the function as to the maintain the cell shape, acts as the support the system for the organelles, and then goes to the next and further cell organelles is the known as the ribosomes. So in the ribosomes, these ribosomes consist of the two subunits made up of protein and DNA. Function of this ribosome, a location for protein synthesis, which are having the two subunits, that is known as the 70S and 50S. So in these ribosomes, which is useful for the protein synthesis, then goes to the endoplasmic reticulums. In the endoplasmic reticulums, the structure system of the membranous tubules and the sacs, function of the endoplasmic reticulums, intracellular, a path along which molecules move from one part of the cell to the another part. There are the two type of the endoplasmic reticulums: rough endoplasmic reticulums and smooth endoplasmic reticulums. So endoplasmic reticulums, rough endoplasmic reticulums and the smooth endoplasmic reticulums. Then in the endoplasmic reticulums, smooth endoplasmic reticulums, in this type of the endoplasmic reticulums, rough endoplasmic reticulum is also known as the ER, a prominent in cells that makes a large amounts of proteins, of proteins to be exported from the cell or inserted into the cell membrane, converted with the ribosomes. Then these rough endoplasmic reticulums prominent in the cell that makes the large amounts of the proteins to be exported from the cell or inserted into the cell membrane and covered with the ribosomes. Then in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, having involved in the synthesis of the lipids and breakdown of toxic substances. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, also known as the SER, and involved in the synthesis of the lipids and breakdown of toxic substances not covered with the ribosomes. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is not covered with the ribosome. So in the such type of the smooth endoplasmic reticulums, which is involved in the synthesis of the lipids and breakdown into the toxic substances, then goes to the next and further cell organelles is the Golgi apparatus. These Golgi apparatus stacked flat sacs receive the proteins as a function from the RER and distribute them to the other organelles or out of the cell. Golgi apparatus are the receive the protein from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. A rough endoplasmic reticulum which are the involved in the synthesis of the proteins, and Golgi apparatus are the receiving the such type of the protein from the rough endoplasmic reticulum and distribute them to the other organelles which is the required and out of the cell, receiving, processing, packaging and shipping. These are the steps functioning of the Golgi apparatus. Receiving the proteins from the rough endoplasmic reticulums, processing on the proteins, packaging on the proteins and shipping of the proteins to the out of the cell and other cell organelles. Now these are the very significant function of the Golgi apparatus. Significant function of the Golgi apparatus. Then goes to this such type of the receiving the protein, processing the proteins, packaging the protein and shipping the proteins to distributes the protein to the another organelles and the out of the cell. Now next goes to the mitochondria. Mitochondria is the very important cell organelles which is the present in the all eukaryotic cells. Folded membranes within an outer membrane and inner membranes. The folds of the inner membranes are called as the cristae. The folds of the inner membranes are called as the cristae and the outer membranes which is the uniform. Folded membrane within outer membranes, and so that main function of this mitochondria is the convert energy. Converts energy stored in the food into the usable energy for the works. This conversion of the usable form of energy for work for every living organism and cellular respirations. Main function of this mitochondria is the convert the energy stored in a food are having the energy and is the converted into the usable form of energy and also work for the cellular respiration. So in this mitochondria, this mitochondria having the outer structures, outer membranes is the uniform and inner membrane is a folded form, and inner membrane folded form of this having the cristae folds called as the cristae. So function of this mitochondria convert the energy stored in the food into the usable form of energy, so that then goes to the next cell organelles is the known as the lysosomes. So in the lysosomes, which are the spherical organelles that contain the hydrolytic enzymes. Spherical organelles that contain the hydrolytic enzymes within a single membranes. Spherical organelles that contain hydrolytic enzymes within a single membranes and break down food particles, invading objects and worn out cell parts. So these are the lysosomes. Structure of the lysosome is the then goes to the peroxisomes. Now this peroxisome is a spherical organelle that contains the enzymes within a single membranes and degrade the hydrogen peroxide toxic compound that can be produced during the metabolisms. Degrade the hydrogen peroxides and also the toxic compound that can be produced during the metabolisms. These are the main function of the peroxisomes. Then next cell organelle is the cilia and flagella. Cilia and flagella is the hair-like organelles that extends from the surface of the cell. Hair-like organelle that extend from the surface of the cell. When they are present in large numbers on a cell, they are called as the cilia. When they are present in a large numbers on a cell, that are called as the cilia. When they are present in less numerous and longer, they are called as the flagella. When they are less numerous and longer, they are called as the flagella, and both organelles are the composed of the that will be 9 pairs of the microtubular arranged around the central plan. Function is the cell motility. Function of the cilia and flagella is cell motility. So next cell organelle is the known as the cilia and flagella. Then goes to this cilia and flagella, movement of the cilium. These are the power stroke, recovery power strokes, movement of the flagellum. Then these are the fused pair of the microtubules, protein arms. These are the cilia and flagella. Now goes to the next cell organelle is the centrioles. Centriole is the composed of the 9 set of the triplet microtubules arranged in a ring, exist in a pairs. Centrioles play a major role in a cell division. Centrioles play a major role in the cell division, in the mitosis, particularly in mitosis. These centrioles are the composed of the 9 set of triplet microtubules arranged in a ring. Look the pictures on these slides. These are the centrioles, and in the one centriole having a 9 set of triplet microtubules arranged in a ring. And centriole play the major role in a cell division, in a particularly mitosis. Then goes to this next cell organelles is the known as the vacuoles. Now the vacuoles, sac of fluid surrounded by the membrane, is known as the vacuoles. Very large in plants. Vacuoles are the present in a large one in a plant cells, used for the temporary storage of the wastes and nutrients and waters. Vacuoles, which are the perform the main and vital functions, that is used for the temporary storage of the wastes, nutrients and the waters. Then plastids. Now these plastids, there are the 3 types of the plastids in the plant cells. There are the 3 types of the plastids are present in a plant cell: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Chloroplast discussed on the next slides. Chromoplast synthesize and store the pigments. Chromoplast synthesize and store the pigments. Leucoplasts store the food such as the starches, protein and lipids. Leucoplast, what is the function of the leucoplast? Store the food such as the starch, proteins and lipid, and chromoplast synthesize and store the pigments. So these are the three types of the plastids. Chromoplast, these are the chromoplast. Then goes to this chromoplast, red peppers. Then in this flowers, which is the pigment which is the present, and leucoplast which are the store the starch, proteins and the lipids. Then in a chloroplast, the chloroplast stacked sacs, which is known as the thylakoids, that contain the chlorophyll, surrounded by a double membrane. Stacked sac thylakoids that will be arranged one above the another. Stack thylakoids, the sac-like bodies are the present, and that are called as the thylakoids, and that contain the chlorophyll surrounded by the double membrane. Function is the photosynthesis, conversion of light energy to the chemical energy, stored in the bonds of the glucose, which are the stored in the bonds of the glucose. So these are the chloroplast. Main function is the light energy is converted into the chemical energy, stored in the bonds of the glucose. These are the chloroplast. Then goes to the next cell organelles is the known as the what is the secretory pathway in the eukaryotic cells. So these are the eukaryotic cells which are having the Golgi apparatus, cell organelles, then vesicles, then cell membrane, rough endoplasmic reticulums, vesicle among these. Then in this pathways goes to this secretory pathway of these eukaryotic cells. Now this very important to the how to this pathway goes to the secrete the substances. Then now in this plant cell versus animal cells, the plant cell are very similar to the plant cell except for the following major differences. Now this animal cell do not contain the chloroplast. Animal cell do not contain the chloroplast. Animal cell do not surrounded by the cell walls. The vacuoles in the plants are much larger than those of the animals. Main differences between the plant cell and animal cell. Animal cell are very similar to the plant cell, except for the following major differences. Animal cell do not contain the chloroplast. Animal cell do not surrounded by the cell walls, and the vacuoles in a plant cell are much larger than those of the animal cell. Then goes to this next aspect in this following is a list of tissues that have a specialized functions and demonstrate the corresponding specialization of the subcellular structure. Match the tissue with the letter of the cell structure and the organelles listed to the right that would be abundant in the cell. Now these are the tissues which are the present in a cell structure and organelles. Enzymes, secreting cell of this pancreas, insect fight muscles, cell lining respiratory passage, white blood cell that engulf and destroy the invading bacteria, leaf cell in a cacti, cell structure plasma membrane, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, chloroplast, cilia, flagella, vacuole and ribosomes. So thank you the watching my videos. RBC Online by Dattatreya Raut. So this, when you like my videos, subscribe my channels, and thank you so much.